What's up everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to this Bitcoin price analysis. We're gonna have a look into Bitcoin, guys, because I believe that Bitcoin is about to break out. We are getting ready for a massive move and a massive Q4 of 2025. So welcome everyone on board. Make sure to be subscribed on this channel. We are almost at 2,000 subscribers, guys, so thank you very much for your great support. Make sure to be subscribed here, be active, leave a like, leave a comment, guys, because the more active you are, the more likely it is I'm gonna select you as lucky winner of the next $100 giveaway that we do with every 1,000 subscribers. Of course, check out all links in the video description to all exchanges that I'm using: crypto.com, Binance, Bybit, Femex, and so on. Sign up there to get the maximum deposit bonuses. And of course, also if you're interested in new upcoming cryptos that I'm buying up right now, especially the hyped ones like Bitcoin Hyper or Pepe, check the links at in the video description and the videos that are popping up at the end of this video. There, of course, I give you the latest updates on Bitcoin Hyper and also Pepe, the most exciting new cryptos that are upcoming. So I'm buying in currently into low market cap coins, guys, because I think that the big altcoin season is in front of us. I'm gonna tell you exactly why in this video. And of course, make sure to be part of this crypto family. Subscribe here, and remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to show you whatever I believe, or my predictions, or my crypto market analysis. Everything that I'm buying and selling, I'm sharing with you guys. So that's why I be part of the party here, of the crypto party, because I think that Q4 of 2025 will be huge, guys. And of course, also join my other accounts over on X, TikTok, Telegram, and so on. We have a nice community also over on Discord and Telegram, so make sure to be part of it. And on X, of course, as well, because on X I update you also when I don't have time to do a video. Maybe there I do also some posts like this one here, for example, why I believe that Bitcoin is on the way towards 200k or even higher than that, and so on. So make sure to be part of the party also over there. We have also here almost 2,000 followers. And now, guys, let's dive straight into the 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin. Nothing has changed that much since yesterday. We are still in this consolidation phase here, and I think that we are just waiting for a big trigger that keeps, of course, then this bull run here, or this breakout here, going up. And I think that big catalyst could be on the 15th of September, when we're gonna have most likely a big rate cut. And once this one is starting, I think we're gonna have a big push to the upside. Long term, I still believe that at some point this bull run will end up probably towards the end of this year, earliest 2026. But until then, I think that we are going to enter into the most parabolic phase of this bull run. And that's why in the 4-hour time frame, we are still in this breakout here. We had this falling broadening wedge. We broke out to the upside. In theory, the breakout target is now at least 118k. Once we break that, I think new all-time highs incoming. And until then, of course, we most likely are going higher highs and higher lows like that, slowly up, unless we are getting a good catalyst that can, of course, take us straight towards 118k and probably also higher. If somehow we would get bearish news, then of course we could retest here the support trend line, previously resistance, now new support at around 107k, still possible. But overall, I think that we are ready for a massive move to the upside very, very soon, guys. Also over on the daily time frame, we are still fighting here with all this resistance that we have at around 112k. As you can see, yes, the day before yesterday, we had here a little breakout to the upside. Yesterday, again, we corrected down. Now, again, we're trying to fight. So here we have a lot of resistance. But once this is broken, then I think we're going to go straight towards the top side of the candle channels at around 117, 118k. And once we break this resistance, as we have also here on the daily and 4-hour and weekly time frame, 118k, then I think we're gonna see new all-time highs. If there we're getting a lower high and a rejection, then of course we are in big troubles. But until then, I think also very good chances that we're gonna see a big breakout to the upside. The weekly time frame here also is what we're gonna have to see what happens here at 118, 115k, because also here we're running into massive resistance, and also we had everywhere sell signals. Remember that, guys. But we have, of course, the chance here to push higher, because the stochastic RSI currently is about to have a bullish cross, and usually whenever that happens, at least we see a little run up. And of course, it is a bit a dangerous place here, because everything else is shifted to the downside. And yeah, the RSI can still come down towards the 50 level. But Bitcoin, of course, based on the 4-hour and daily time frame, has the chance to have a big bounce. That also the weekly time frame again is then in basically back in its uptrend, because also here since many weeks, I mean since 2022 basically, since we had the bear market bottom, we had always those higher lows and higher highs, and we had this huge uptrend here. And I think that this will continue on and on until we're gonna top out somewhere. Also, the US dollar dominance is something that we have to keep an eye on, of course, because here we are seeing this big bullish pattern that will break out to the upside most likely at some point. Then I think we're gonna see the bear market, but until then, as long as we are in this falling wedge, of course we can stay inside here and yeah, continue to go lower and lower, and that of course is bullish for the crypto market. Only once there we're gonna break out to the upside, then I think the bear market will start. And also here, guys, the Bitcoin dominance. I told you that here at the 100 weekly moving average we most likely are getting a bounce, but latest once we break below, then I think the next major support is here the 200 weekly, and once or during this phase here, once we see this breakdown, then we're gonna see the monster altcoin season, guys. And this is what I'm waiting for, because that's why I bought into Ethereum, into Tron, into Solana, into all of those coins, because I believe that they will do great things here in the next coming weeks, especially Ethereum, lagging behind Bitcoin a lot, guys. I mean, even lagging behind Solana and all the others. And yeah, we are everywhere basically in new all-time highs territory, also Solana, Tron, Ethereum, of course. And I think that the big rally into new all-time highs will start once we see also the Bitcoin dominance dropping below the 100 weekly moving average, because then we will be in a free fall down towards the 200 weekly moving average, the next major support that we have here. So I think a big altcoin season is in front of us, guys. That's why I'm buying into new coins. As you know, I'm buying currently into all sort of new low market cap coins next to my big crypto portfolio, of course. I anyway have accumulated enough Bitcoin and tier 1 altcoins already. So what I'm doing next is, of course, trading here over on Bybit, for example, or also Maxi Global, all those exchanges. And of course, also buying into low market cap coins. Here also on the RSI on the weekly we have to look at, because we still have those bearish divergences, guys. The RSI cooled down, so also here we have the chance to have a bounce again to retest this resistance trend line, because also here we have bearish divergences forming. We have higher highs in the weekly time frame. We still can pump towards 140k or even higher, and the RSI can come up to this resistance trend line. As long as we are not breaking here above, we're gonna keep those bearish divergences, and they can of course lead at some point into a big bear market. So we will see what happens, but this is at least my game plan for now. Probably much more upside in the next coming weeks and months, but at some point, I think latest early to 2026, we're gonna start somehow a bear market for whatever reasons. I don't know why and why this happens, but if the 4-year cycle for Bitcoin keeps repeating, then we should be seeing the cycle top somewhere towards the end of this year, and then a big bear market starting next year. We will see what happens, guys. That's why be subscribed on this channel, and yeah, check out all links in the video description. And also, if you want to get on board into Pepe Node, Bitcoin Hyper, the most hyped new upcoming cryptos, links as always here in the video description, guys. You can check them out here. And also, I have discovered some other new cryptos with high staking rewards, similar like Pepe Node right now with 1500% staking rewards. You see that I have accumulated almost the same amount at the purchase in a few days just because of the high staking rewards. This is going to be a new crypto game, so I'm going to play this definitely. And of course, I'm buying into the token right now because this is needed in order to then buy into those mining facilities here in this game. Check it out, guys, and of course check out the links in the video description and all the videos that are popping up here as well. I also did a great Bybit tutorial that you like very much, guys. Go and check it out. It's a very beginner-friendly crypto tutorial video about the Bybit, how to use that exchange, what are the core features. It's popping up here at the end, so check it out, guys. A lot of people liked it, so that's why make sure to don't miss it out. It's not too long, and also you maybe can learn something about Bybit that you maybe didn't know before. So check it out, guys. Thanks you for watching, of course, and we're gonna see you all in the next one. Bye for now.